Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a powerful drone with advanced camera features, GPS flight, and smart obstacle avoidance without spending DJI level money, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2026, covering camera quality, flight performance, smart features, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. AE86 Pro Max Professional Drone 8K Camera. The AE86 Pro Max is a professional-style GPS drone designed for aerial photography. It features an 8K HD camera, 3-axis gimbal, GPS positioning, FPV real-time transmission, and obstacle avoidance. This drone is clearly made for users who want stable cinematic footage. The 3-axis gimbal significantly reduces shake even in moderate wind, and GPS functions help with precise positioning and safe return to home. It feels solid in the air and performs well for long-range shots. Pros: 8K HD camera for ultra-clear footage, 3-axis gimbal for smooth video, GPS positioning and return to home, obstacle avoidance system. If you want professional-looking aerial footage and strong flight stability, the AE86 Pro Max is a top-tier choice. Number 2. S888 Max Fishing GPS Drone 8K Dual Camera. The S888 Max is a multifunction drone built for fishing and heavy-duty use. It comes with dual 8K cameras, a 3-axis gimbal, GPS navigation, obstacle avoidance, and an airdrop system. This drone stands out because of its fishing and payload drop capability. It offers strong lifting power, stable hovering, and long-distance FPV transmission using 5G Wi-Fi, perfect for anglers and outdoor enthusiasts. Pros: dual 8K cameras, fishing bait airdrop feature, strong GPS and obstacle avoidance, stable flight with 3-axis gimbal. If you're into fishing or need a drone with payload capability, the S888 Max is one of the best options available. Number 3. S156 Drone with Screen, beginner-friendly. The S156 is a beginner-level drone featuring brushless motors, optical flow positioning, FPV camera, and a remote controller with built-in screen. This drone is designed for ease of use. The built-in screen eliminates the need for a smartphone, and optical flow positioning helps maintain stable hovering indoors and outdoors. Great for kids, beginners, and casual flyers. Pros: remote control with built-in screen, brushless motors, easy to fly for beginners, lightweight and portable. If you're new to drones and want something simple and affordable, the S156 is a great starter drone. Number 4. SX1 Max GPS Drone, 4K camera, 3-axis gimbal, FPV transmission, and a large screen remote control. The SX1 Max balances performance and portability very well. The 4K camera delivers sharp footage, while the gimbal ensures smooth video. GPS flight modes like Follow Me and Waypoint Flight make it fun and easy to use. Pros: 4K camera with 3-axis gimbal, large screen remote control, GPS smart flight modes, foldable and travel-friendly. The SX1 Max is perfect for travelers and vloggers who want quality footage without carrying a bulky drone. Number 5. K19 Max Fishing GPS Drone, airdrop feature. The K19 Max is another fishing-focused GPS drone with a camera, obstacle avoidance, 5G FPV screen controller, and automatic return feature. This drone is optimized for long-range flights and payload drops. It offers stable GPS hovering, clear FPV transmission, and an automatic turnaround function for safety. Pros: fishing airdrop system, GPS and obstacle avoidance, 5G FPV with screen controller, automatic return function. If you want a reliable fishing drone with smart safety features, the K19 Max is a strong contender. Each of these drones serves a different purpose. For professional aerial photography, go with the AE86 Pro Max. For fishing and payload drops, the S888 Max or K19 Max. For beginners, the S156. For balanced performance and portability, the SX1 Max. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.